In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted project in CapCut. If you've just deleted a project by mistake, don't panic. Start inside CapCut and look for the trash folder in the sidebar. Deleted projects move there automatically and stay for up to 30 days. Open trash, find your project, and click the restore icon to bring it back. It should reappear in your main project list immediately. Just remember, after 30 days, items in trash are permanently removed, so act quickly. If the project isn't in trash or you need to recover an older draft, we'll use CapCut's storage folders to bring it back. Open CapCut and go to Settings, find the project storage location, and click the copy icon next to the address to copy the path. If needed, press Ctrl+C to copy. You can now close the settings. Open File Explorer and click the address bar at the top. Paste the path you copied with Ctrl+V, then press Enter. This takes you to the current folder where CapCut saves projects right now. Next, open a second File Explorer window, paste the same path in the address bar, but delete the last part of the path to move one level up to the main CapCut directory. This is helpful when your older projects live in a slightly different folder. If you're not sure where to look, try navigating to Users, then your Windows username, App Data, Local, CapCut, User Data, Projects, and then open the folder named com.elvedita.draft. If you don't see app data, it may be hidden. Enable hidden items from the View menu in File Explorer. Once you locate your previous project folders, select the ones you want to recover. Drag and drop them into the current CapCut project directory you opened in the first window. If you want to play it safe, you can copy and paste instead of moving so you keep a backup. Also, make sure CapCut is closed while you move files to avoid any sync issues. Now reopen CapCut. Your recovered projects should appear in the project list and open normally just like before. If they don't show up immediately, close CapCut again and relaunch, or double check that you place the folders in the exact same directory as your current projects. And that's it. First, try trash for quick restores within 30 days. And if that doesn't work, use the file path method to bring back older drafts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips and tutorials.